Welcome. Today I'm going to walk you through how to change the cover image of a public list on X. If you have a list that you'd like to personalize or refresh with a new look, this quick tutorial will guide you step by step. First, open the X app on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, head over to the Lists section. You can usually find it by tapping on your profile picture or menu and selecting Lists. From there, choose the public list you want to update. After you've opened the list, look for the Edit icon, usually displayed as a small pencil or an option labeled Edit. Tap on it, and this is where the customization begins. Next, focus on the cover image area at the top of your screen. You should see a camera icon positioned there. Tap the camera icon, and you'll be prompted to either upload an image from your device or select one from your gallery. Choose the new image you'd like to use as the cover. Make sure it's visually appealing, something that represents the theme of your list and catches the eye. Once you've selected your image, you'll have the option to adjust or reposition it so it fits perfectly. When you're happy with the preview, tap Apply to save your changes. And just like that, your list will now display a fresh new cover image for everyone to see. Refreshing the cover image can make your public list stand out and create a more polished look. It's a simple update, but it adds personality and makes your list more engaging, especially if you're curating content for others to enjoy. That's all it takes. Just open the app, go to your public list, tap Edit, upload your image, and apply your changes. A few quick taps, and you've made your list look brand new. If you've been meaning to give your lists a little upgrade, now is the perfect time to try it. Customize them, make them unique, and let them represent your style.